The truth is, I really don't care about your safety. The truth is, I don't care how you do your load securement on your trailer and haul your equipment around. The truth is, none of that really matters to me, and I don't practice safe tractoring because of you. Well, we're getting some more calls for bush hog, brush hogging, tractor, rotary slashing, whatever you want to call it. So we better do some PM. We'd better do our preventative maintenance on all this. And you know what? This plastic shield over the PTO shaft, it's just a pain. I think I could actually grease this, be better maintained without this safety shield on. Two hands, Ken's come over here. We're just gonna slide the scoping, I don't know what word that is, out. There we go. All right, now we just gotta set this down. We're gonna take some paper towels. We're gonna wipe it all clean, get the old grease off. Then we're gonna take some new paper towels with some new grease and re-grease the drive shaft. Now on this one, just lift it up and let's get all the old grease off it.
Ew, it
right?
Place, because how old it is.
It's very good. That's exactly what happens when grease gets old. It starts getting sticky, and we want grease to be slippery.
Why is it good to have it slippery?
So the two drive shafts can slip in between each other.
Without having to tug and pull?
Exactly. So easy, kids know how to do it.
It has hay on it.
You know the difference between hay and straw?
Oh, hay is green, like it still has some life in it, and straw is just plain white, dead.
We're just gonna do a little of this. Now we'll go all the way around and up and down and get it nice and...
Oh, it's so slippery.
Pin goes right through that hole. There you go.
There you go. Good job.
Perfect. Oh, you had it. Smack and say, that ain't going anywhere.
That ain't going anywhere. Sterling, you can't be under the tractor. Let's go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good job, guys. You know what you did?
Put a PTO shaft in the tractor, onto the tractor.
You hitched a 3-point and coupled a PTO shaft.
And you're not even 8 yet, dude.
Good job, you too, Kens.
Good job, Kens.
FFA.
Smile. It's okay.
Whoa, stop! Stop. Woo! That was close. Hey, bud, when Dad's running the tractor, and you hear the high engine idle when it's making a lot of noise, or if I'm using an implement, yeah, you got to stay back and stay safe, okay? All right. Whew, thanks for stopping. Did good. All right. All right. Hey, thanks guys for helping me do some maintenance on the equipment today. One more thing is I like to do is wash the stump grinder wheel. Think we can do that?
Yeah.
All right. Need one of you guys to hold this thing. You know what that's called?
No. Oh,
It's called a Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
You got to say it like a Minnesotan. Milwaukee.
Milwaukee.
Yeah. 3/4 inch impact wrench. Now this thing goes on the nut bolt like that, and this doesn't have any safety on it. So when this thing grabs a hold, it'll twist your whole arm off. There's no safety in this other than your trigger finger. It's pretty cool, right? No safety. All right, hold on to this and give her a rip.
Me?
Yeah,
Don't twist my whole arm.
it can. Hit it.
Holy dang.
Yeah, this is powerful. Do it again. Okay. Max, you want to try one?
Sure.
All right. There you go. Good job. Got it. Now all we got to do is just use a little bit of water. Let's just clean up all this old debris and icky stuff and get this nice and clean. All right. Can you do that? All right. Good job. Wow, look at all this stuff we got out of there. That was pretty dirty, huh? What I need you to do now, Max, is we're going to just put one of these up just to get it started. And I got to put the shield back on it, the safety shield. All right, so take that bolt. This guy goes up here like so. There. And then twist it righty-tighty. Your other right. There you go. All right. Now I need the other bolts.
Where are they?
You know what? This safety thing, it gets in my way. When I'm grinding a tree stump, I can't hardly use any of the top teeth in here because the safety thing's in the way. You know what?
Should upgrade it in the future, you know.
Yeah, how should we upgrade it?
Just by not having the shell. And
Oh yeah,
you
let's
remember
do that.
that little, like, let's say safety fence. We can use that.
How about, I like Max's idea. Let's just take this off.
Take that off and use it.
And then I can grind.
Anything.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Yeah,
Then we can
use
grind stumps up.
this thing.
Yeah,
See what it does.
let's do it. Let's take this off. Can you take that bolt out?
Yeah. They should upgrade in the future, like 2066.
Yeah.
No, it's not 2024. It's
All right.
2027.
Wow, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Could you imagine if that hit you?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm trying. I don't want to imagine it.
I think we should probably put the safety shield back on and clean
Yeah.
it. All right,
That's a
because
good
yeah,
plan.
things might go up in there and then kick out to the side, and that whole safety shield will have it fall straight down instead of to the side, huh?
Yeah, it wouldn't be so cool. If it was like,
Well, guys, what did we learn today?
we learned that stump grinder without the shield, everything will go flying.
Yeah.
And it cleans better, but it's dangerous.
Yeah.
And how to be safe around tractors and not go near somebody when they're doing stump grinding.
Yeah.
Like that pants filled with hay, but imagine it was filled with blood and
Yeah.
your
Max
muscles.
ran up on me, and luckily the operator out of seat switch is still engaged, the seat safety switch, so everything's shut down so I could keep Max nice and safe. The other thing is, guys my age, say with the plastic shield around the plastic shield
yeah.
that goes over the PTO shaft,
Oh yeah.
it makes it too difficult to grease. Did you guys have any problems greasing the PTO shaft?
No.
How old are you?
9.
7.
7 and 9, and it's not too difficult to grease the PTO shaft. Just take the
Yeah.
plastic shield off.
To someone 45,
46, but
for
thank you.
46 years old, well, someone else but you,
Yeah.
think that's hard, but then, like mostly,
But then a 9-year-old girl comes in and does it no problem.
yeah.
Yeah.
And a 7-year-old boy.
And a 7-year-old boy can hitch a 3-point and couple of PTO shaft. How about if you wanted to grease it and it was too difficult with the plastic safety shield on it,
Just take it
Well,
off.
then I know how to
just take it off, and then you would look like what, the scarecrow that got wrapped up inside there?
It looks really bad right now.
It's like all dirty and half of the hay left.
Could you imagine going around that PTO shaft like that? That might hurt, huh?
Yeah.
I think we should keep the plastic shield on the PTO shaft, the drive shaft.
And it's easy to, for me, younger than 46-year-olds, I think it's easy.
To grease.
And other 46-year-olds like that, you
Yep.
think it's easy. Just squirt, 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 rub.
It's pretty easy.
So I'm gonna keep all my safety devices intact. And some people will say I'm not Mr. Cool. But you know what? I don't care what someone else says on the internet that I may not be cool because I have all my safety devices.
Well, Ian, no, you're actually cool of keeping people safe like a police instead of killing someone.
Like
Yeah,
the watermelon,
absolutely.
It looks like
That's
blood. That
cool.
could happen.
Saving someone's life.
Saving someone, and it's not always me, but it might be someone else that runs up on a tractor, or it might be someone standing getting too close to a tractor operating. I think safety is cool.
Yeah. You know.
Don't you guys?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I don't know how much we solved here, but we had a little infotainment is the new word. A little bit of entertainment, a little bit of info. And guys, I operate this tractor every single day as a commercial tractor operator or a skid steer with a drum mulcher on it, which is arguably as much or if not more dangerous. And I'm gonna keep all my safety stuff on because it's not just my safety that I have to worry about. I have to make sure that I keep everyone else safe around me, which also includes Dad coming home with 10 fingers and 10 toes. So if you see me being safe,
You can be safe too.
you can be safe too. Cheers from the Bulldog, guys. The truth is, I practice my safe tractoring because of my family, and that's what matters to me. What do you say, Pot?
He literally clocked